So guys, we just checked into our love hotel, our adult hotel, doesn't matter how you want to call it. And before we move on to the next day, I will give you a quick room tour just so you know what you can expect if you decide to book one of those kind of hotels for your vacation. So we start at the entrance area, the Genkan, where you take your shoes off, put on your slippers, and that's basically it. So let's get into the main room. Just if you're wondering, I'm talking quietly because there are a lot of other people in this hotel and I don't want to disturb anyone, because people come here to have a great time. And if you take a look at this room, you will know you can have a great time here. So love hotels are typically much bigger than your average business hotel like APA or any other brand that is out there. We have massage chair where I definitely will take my time because my back hurts a little bit. We have a sofa that has seen a couple of days, I guess, but as typically for a love hotel, you come here with your significant other, or maybe you just met someone this evening. That is up to you, and you log in here and you spend some time, so you have a lot of things that you can order. For example, food, drinks, dessert, and other necessities that you could use for a night with a partner. And let's have a quick look at the TV. You have a selection of movies and dramas. You have a storefront that you can order things from. You can rent things, and food and drinks, and of course the adult section. I think I don't need to go into too much detail what it is. Then you have a quite spacious bed. I just give you a quick comparison when I lay down how big this actually is. You can easily fit comfortably 3 people in here. So if you decide to pick up 2 other persons for the night, you have it. And then one of the big things, the big necessities in a love hotel, you want to get clean, you want to get fresh. So let's have a look at the bathroom. So what you see here is just the entrance for the bathroom, so it's already much bigger than like any other bathroom than in a usual hotel. Let's take a look at the sink. You have a lot of tools here. You have hairbrushes, toothbrushes, razor blades, just to freshen up. A lot of cosmetics, different lotions to clean yourself, to get fresh for your significant other. You have a hair dryer, a flat iron that is also a curling iron. So what you need, you have it. A quick look at the toilet. Well, it's a normal size toilet. It gets the job done. It is not like too big, so I wouldn't really fit another person in here. Why would you? But I guess some people would. But the main thing, if you want to freshen up, you have to take a shower or even like have a relaxing bath. So let's get into the wet room. The funny thing is we have a light that is adjustable. So let's for the sake of the demonstration, let's make it bright. So the Japanese bathing concept, which doesn't only apply to love hotels, but in general, you have like the main washing room, 2 of those chairs, and like a shower head where you clean yourself with shampoo and shower gel and everything. And after that, you go into the bathtub for a relaxing time by yourself or with someone else. It depends if you both fit in here. And we discovered we also have an air pump, so this is some sort of jacuzzi function apparently. And I guess we will try it out. So yeah, final words. So if you decide to come to Japan, take your time, look for a love hotel in the area that you're staying. We are just for one night in Hiroshima, and that's why we decided let's use this opportunity and book one night in a love hotel. And one thing I also have to mention is that if you have partner of the same sex as you are, or you want to like stay a night with one of your friends here, just because simply the rooms are better. It's not for some love making reasons. It's just if you want to stay a night with one of your friends in here, please note and do your research, because not every love hotel in Japan accepts reservations with two people of the same sex, of the same gender. Doesn't matter how you want to call it. And that's why you have to do some research, because otherwise you book, you will come here and they will like send you away. That's the honest truth about Japan sometimes. So yeah, that's it for now. Let's continue with our travel to Fukuoka. What is up, guys? We are currently in the Shinkansen from Hiroshima to Fukuoka. Today was kind of tame. For lunch we had a couple of gyoza, and after that we went to Hiroshima Skywalk, I think it was called Hiroshima Skywalk, where we had a clear view of Hiroshima. So we just had a little stroll on the sort of outskirts of the city, and the weather was not that good. Like for a short period, it started to rain. But on our way, we discovered a book-off. A book-off is a second-hand market where you can buy used goods, from like electronics to anime merchandise and like designer clothing. That is one hell of an amazing store, I'm telling you. They had all kinds of sneakers, like rare Jordan 1s, really some classics, some extremely rare sneakers that you like are not able to find, and the prices, good lord, those prices are amazing. So if you're a sneakerhead and you want to get some clothes, then if you're in Tokyo or wherever in Japan, even in Hiroshima, in Osaka, wherever, go to Book Off. Book Off has amazing prices. You can get some really good stuff here for cheap, like for dirt cheap. And speaking of dirt cheap, we found some anime figurines, and holy shit, those are criminally cheap. we found some Dragon Balls, some One Piece, My Hero Academia, JoJo figurines, all kinds of stuff, like really big figurines for prices that like I said, are real, just criminal. And that is amazing, and always in good condition, because Japanese people tend to take care of their stuff. So buying secondhand in Japan is not even a question. So if you want to buy figurines, if you come to Japan and you want to get some anime merch, make your first stop not Akihabara, not Denden Town. Look for the nearest book off in your region where you are staying. Book off is what I will do in the future. If I'm coming back to Japan for some merchandise or whatever, I will go to book off, and if it satisfies all my needs and I find everything I want, then that's fine. If not, I still have the options to go like to the regular stores in Akihabara or Denden Town or wherever I am. But book off is the address for cheap anime goods, well-priced sneakers, designer clothing. It is just insane. I'm still in shock how cheap they are, how cheap those figurines are. I mean, I still have to buy a smaller suitcase for the flight back home, because I will buy some things. There were so many things I could have bought here at this book off, but I simply don't want to carry around all the stuff with me. But believe me when I say, make book off your first destination if you go for some anime merchandise that is not only affordable but straight up cheap. Yeah. So now we're heading to Fukuoka. Fukuoka is known for a lot of things, especially food, and especially Hakata ramen. Hakata style ramen is a tonkotsu, or a pork bone broth ramen, that I'm a fan of. But that will happen tomorrow. We will go on a ramen journey. I want to get my satisfaction, and I'm determined, because I'm a strong believer in Ichiran ramen. And online, people talk like a lot of shit about Ichiran, to be honest. They always say it's mid, it's just fine, and there are better stores. So what I will do some research. I will pick somewhere between 3 or 5, even depends, something between the top 3 or 5 tonkotsu ramen restaurants that I can find. And then we will see if I will find something better than Ichiran. Hey guys, quick story without the mic, so excuse the bad audio quality. We've been to an izakaya, like a small Japanese style pub. We ate something, we drank something, and we noticed to the left of ours there were a couple, a guy and a girl. I think they had a date or something, and I noticed at some point this guy ordered 3 tequila shots for him, his girlfriend, and the owner of the pub. So I decided to do the same thing. I ordered 3 tequila shots for me, my girlfriend, and the owner of the pub. This guy on my left, he liked that. I think he was half Brazilian, half Japanese, because I heard him speak a little bit of Portuguese and Japanese especially, and he liked that so much that at the moment I ordered my bill to pay, he decided he wants to pay everything, and now I feel kind of guilty because I only expected him to order the round of shots for the 5 of us. Oh yeah, I did mention he after he noticed that I ordered 3 shots, he ordered 5 shots for me, my girlfriend, for himself, his girlfriend, and the owner of the bar. So yeah, and at the end, when I ordered my bill, he offered to pay, or he didn't offer. He just did it, and he didn't just pay the round of shots. He paid everything that my girlfriend and I drank and ate. So yeah, tomorrow evening we will go there again, and I hope to God that he is there as well again, and I will pay for him. I will make him drunk. He will crawl out of the building. That is my only mission tomorrow.